Cleo and MoneyLion Instacash both help users access money before payday, but they are built around different approaches to managing your finances. By the end, you'll know how Cleo and MoneyLion Instacash compare for cash advances, budgeting tools, fees, and which app may fit your needs better. The main difference is that Cleo combines financial assistance with an AI-powered money management experience, while MoneyLion Instacash focuses on providing eligible users access to funds before their next paycheck. First, compare the cash advance features. Cleo reviews your connected financial information to determine whether you qualify for its available cash advance options. The app is designed to help users understand their spending while managing access to available funds. MoneyLion Instacash also uses your account information to determine eligibility. The amount and options available depend on your personal financial details and what the app shows after reviewing your account. Approval and access can vary between users. A connected account, accurate information, and meeting the app's requirements can make the process smoother. Next, look at the extra features. Cleo focuses heavily on money management through features that help users track spending and interact with their finances. Its experience is built around helping users understand their money habits. MoneyLion offers Instacash alongside other financial products inside its platform. Users who want multiple financial tools in one app may prefer having those options together. Fees are another point to compare. Both apps can have different costs depending on the services you choose. Always check the fee details and the final amount available before confirming a cash advance. The better option depends on what you want from the app. If you prefer a money management experience with an interactive approach, Cleo may be worth comparing. If you want cash access combined with a broader financial platform, MoneyLion Instacash may be a better fit. The fastest way to decide is to check your actual offers inside both apps. Available features, costs, and eligibility can differ from one user to another. To summarize, Cleo and MoneyLion Instacash both provide ways to manage money and access funds, but they focus on different experiences. Cleo emphasizes financial guidance and spending awareness, while MoneyLion combines Instacash with additional financial tools. Compare your available options in both apps, review the fees, and choose the one that matches how you manage your money. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of money apps and financial tools.